Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and unpairing the AirPods. This avoids short circuits and data issues. Once done, remove the ear tips, then pry the silicone seals gently. Use the spudger to lift the grill. Make sure to note hinge alignment and screw locations as you go. Take photos for reference. You want the case open cleanly, not rushed. Preparing tools and a soft mat now saves time later and prevents damage to tiny plastic clips and the battery connector. Once the inner plate is lifted, identify the battery pack and its connector. This is a fragile ribbon cable. Use a plastic pry tool to disconnect. Do not yank. If adhesive holds the battery, apply low heat for a few seconds with a hair dryer to soften glue. Heat evenly and avoid electronics. Peel the battery slowly, maintain steady pressure, and avoid puncturing. You'll see small clips and foam pads. Preserve them, as they help seat the new battery and maintain fit and safety. You position the replacement battery in the cavity, align pads, and reconnect the ribbon to the board. Ensure a click or snug fit. Once connected, reapply adhesive strips and reassemble the inner plate and screws in their original order. Close the case, reinstall grills and ear tips, then charge for 15 minutes before pairing. If the case won't charge or pair, double-check the connector seating, screw torque, and adhesive interfering with contacts. Reopen carefully and inspect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.